Good afternoon from the end of Ryde Pier. It's high tide time, about 10 to 1. Well, 12:45. Look, if you have a look on the train station clock. I was a bit bored, decided to come out for a long walk. Well, longish. It's a grey, miserable day. Windy, misty, very, very, as I said, grey and nondescript colours in the sky, non-existent. So what I thought I'd do is just try and take some video, maybe the odd picture, maybe not so much on the picture front. Just anything interesting along the way, maybe the tide smashing up against the sea walls. Maybe the waves coming in on the beach. So I'm going to walk to Seaview, and then I'm going to walk from Seaview up to Tesco, and then back into Ryde, and just see if anything interesting happens on the way. Now it is forecast rain this afternoon. So I'm in a sheltered bit here behind the the railway station, which has got bits missing. But anyway, and I'm going to pop out, and then I'll be hit by the wind. So you might hear an increase in wind noise. Here we are. Whoa! And as you can see, it's very, very grey. We've got some people walking along the pier. Of course, we're still in lockdown here in the UK. We're hoping that the vaccinations can kind of bring this to an end and we can get back to some sort of normality. But there you are, kind of looking, well, I guess looking out westward. Look, the land disappears into kind of a mist. But the waves are crashing against the sea wall, so I think my next task is I'm going to take a few pictures of the waves crashing against the wall, maybe do a bit of slow motion, see if anything interesting comes up, and then I will turn left at the end of the pier and head towards Seaview. The waves crashing against the sea defences here in Ryde. Got the British flag, the Union Jack fluttering in the breeze there, coming round. So it's coming up to 1 o'clock. Whoa, there you go. Right, let's try a bit of slow motion. And right on forecast, here comes the rain. So it's become even grimmer. So so I shall continue my walk. Maybe we'll get a few puddles, and I'll try a bit of kind of reflection photography. But we'll see how the day develops. It's cold, it's grey, it's grim, it's boring, but hey, walking's one of the few things you can do, so I'm gonna walk. So as you can see, I made it to Seaview. It's a rough, grim afternoon. The waves keep coming in. The tide is going out, but it's pretty rough. Right, my job is now to head to Tesco. Got a few provisions to get, so I'm going to walk up the hill. And thank you for joining me, and I will see you on the next one.